The last Thin Mint in the house. Oh, hey kids. When you think about story elements, you think about characters, setting, and plot. But what is plot exactly? Too often we describe plot as what happens in the story, but that doesn't go far enough. To understand plot, we need to understand that every story is about trouble. It's the trouble and how the characters deal with it that make the story interesting. Now, many of us know that a story needs a problem and a solution, but that doesn't mean it's an interesting story. For example, if my problem is I really want to eat this cookie, and my solution is I pick it up and I eat it, that's not much of a story, is it? That's just something that happened. Or if I wanted to eat this cookie, but I dropped it and the dog ate it, that's a problem, but I can't do anything about it. That's just a bad thing that happened. See, what's missing is the action I go through to get it and how hard I have to struggle to do it. And to do that, I need to have some form of trouble. For example, I might have a broken leg and I can't reach it, so I have to devise all sorts of ways to get it. Like, right? Or I'm on a diet and I'm not supposed to eat it, so I have to distract myself and use all my willpower to prevent myself from touching it. See, in either case, the reader has fun by watching the action unfold as I struggle. So when we describe plot, it's better to think about it as a problem that gets introduced in the beginning, the struggle or the action that the characters take to deal with the problem, and the resolution of the problem in the end. Notice I didn't say solution, because the problem doesn't always get solved in the end. In the end, the characters might not be successful, and that's part of the fun for readers, because it's that uncertainty of success that keeps them reading to see how things turn out. Remember, the struggle or action is where the story lives. So make sure you devote a lot of writing time to develop that big middle section of the story. If your character isn't actively struggling to solve their problem in the story, how much of a problem is it anyway? Well, until next time, I'm Mr. Ta.
Oh cool, the last minute.
Hey!